What's up guys, this video from Airdrop Hub. So in this video we're back again on the Elise testnet. If you were in my Telegram channel, you might have seen that I shared the Elise testnet Phase 2 eligibility list, as well as how to mint the Phase 2 NFT. So I assume you've already done those. I got a Tier 2 NFT from Phase 2. So now, you can combine the two NFTs obtained from Phase 2 to get another NFT. This is simply what happens. If you have Tier 1 NFTs from both phases, you can get Elysian Legends Gold NFT. Or, if you have Tier 2 NFTs from both phases, you can get Elysian Hot Silver NFT, right? Many people might have a lot of questions now, so make sure to listen carefully to what I'm saying. If you have Tier 1 NFTs from both phases, you can mint a Gold NFT. If you have Tier 2 NFTs from both phases, you can mint a Silver NFT. But the problem is, if you have a mix of Tier 1 and Tier 2 NFTs from both phases, or if you only have an NFT from one phase, you cannot mint a Gold or Silver NFT. If you only have an NFT from one phase, you'll need to either buy the matching tier NFT for the one you already have, or, if you have two NFTs, think, first one is Tier 1 and second one is Tier 2. Solution is, sell one and buy another NFT of the same tier to match the remaining one. I will explain it more from this video guys, so keep watching this video. And especially, this is an additional thing that gives you some special benefits. However, if you don't have the funds to purchase other NFTs, you can hold on to the NFT you already have. An admin said in Elise Discord, there will be a reward for that. You can mint NFT by going through these links. And remember, the mint period is valid for only a week. These are the benefits of holding gold or silver NFTs. Qualify for the first airdrop. 30% pre-sale launchpad bonus. Incentivized mainnet rewards. Future airdrops. 37% airdrop allocation remaining, and more from 9% supply for growth. Fee discounts via membership tiers. Access to future features like staking, lending, and more. Holding these NFTs marks you as an OG member of the Elise network. Rewards will keep coming as a token of appreciation for being a part of this journey. Alright, let's mint the NFT. If you want to mint a gold NFT, go through this link. Alright, you can see, it's only for Tier 1 NFT holders. If you have only Tier 2 NFTs, go through this second link. Alright, look, it's only for Tier 2 NFT holders. Phase 1. Tier 2 NFT price is now $16. Phase 1 price is around $68. Okay, let's see how much the price of Tier 1 NFTs. Phase 1 is around $103. Phase 2 is $74. That's great. Okay, I already have a Tier 1 NFT from Phase 1. Select the NFT like this. But from Phase 2 I got a Tier 2 NFT. So I sold this NFT for $58. And now I am going to buy a Tier 1 NFT from Phase 2. Let's go to the marketplace. Phase 2, Tier 1. The minimum NFT price is around $86. To buy these NFTs we need stars tokens. However, the stars amount I currently have isn't enough to buy this NFT. We can get stars tokens through a swap. First, withdraw some Atom tokens to your Keplr wallet. Then, go to the swap section. Now, swap your Atom tokens to stars tokens. Alright, now my stars balance is enough to buy the NFT. Total of $88. Okay, let's buy it. Okay, well, let's refresh the page to check it. Alright, you can see this, NFT is now mine. Okay, well, it's showing also in the mint page. If you hold a tier 1 NFT, $100 plus airdrop is already in your hand. If you don't have enough funds to buy tier 1 NFTs, try going for tier 2 ones, they're much cheaper. Alright, before the mint, let's check how much gold NFTs are worth. Minimum amount is $205, that's great. Okay, let's mint. Keep in mind that when you mint this NFT, the 2 NFTs you received from the airdrop will be burned, meaning they'll be gone. Alright, I received the Pirate Legend NFT. Floor price is $207. This is not a Elise airdrop, guys, right? Hold this NFT, like your FaZe NFTs. I expect the value of Elise airdrop more than the price of this NFT. Let's check the value of silver NFTs. The floor price is 8.8 atoms, which means $78. Not bad. After that, you have a Discord role to claim. Go to the Elise Discord channel and go to this roles channel. Then type /starry join. Send the command. Open this link and connect your Keplr wallet. Then wait a little bit. Alright, I received the Elysian Legend role, which depends on the NFT. You can also see that my FaZe NFT roles have been removed, because FaZe NFTs will be burned to mint gold silver NFTs. Alright guys, again I am saying, this is not mandatory, this is an optional step. If you have only one FaZe NFT and not enough funds to buy another one NFT, don't worry, hold it guys, you have an airdrop for it, okay? If there's anything you don't understand or doubtful, post it in the comment section of this video, or you can get help from our Telegram group. Okay guys, subscribe to the YouTube channel and join the Telegram channel to know more about airdrops and testnets like this. So goodbye guys, see you in the next video.